Welcome back to class. The question says, draw a tree diagram for A fair coin tossed, 2 fair coins tossed together, 3 fair coins tossed together, then derive the sample spaces. So without wasting time, we start with A. When you have a fair coin tossed, so I'm going to use this to represent the coin. So like I said, a coin has 2 faces, right? So head and what? Tail. So what are the sample spaces for a fair coin? We have head and what? Tail. So we are done with a fair coin tossed. We move on to B. 2 fair coins. Are you getting me now? So it's going to be like this. I'm going to have the coin here. So we're going to toss it the first time, right? It's going to give us head and tail. Are you with me? Then we toss it the second time because we're going to toss it 2 times. So this one too is going to give us head and tail. You just make sure that you keep repeating the head and tail for each event. So we have head and what? And tail. Now, what are the sample space when a coin is tossed twice or when 2 fair coins are tossed together? You're going to have what? Head, head. That's head, head, because it's 2 coins. I mean, the first one is showing head, the second one is showing head. This diagram is called tree diagram. Head, tail. Head, tail. Tail, head. We have a tail, head. Then we have a tail, tail. You see that for coin tossed twice or 2 coins, the total outcome is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. While this one is what? How many? 2. And finally, when a coin is tossed 3, a fair coin tossed 3 times means 3 fair coin tossed together. So you have the coin here. So the coin is tossed. So we're going to have head. We're going to have tail. This is the first throw. So in the second throw, we're going to have another what? Another head and another tail. Then this one too, for its own second throw, we're going to have head and a tail. This is our second throw. Second throw. Then in the third throw, because the coin was tossed 3 times, we're going to have head and another tail. This one too, you split it. Head and another tail. This one too, you split it. Head and a tail. Then this one too, you split it. That's a head and a what? And a tail. Then we write the outcomes out. So the outcomes are what? Let's go. First, head, head and head, 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 head. Here will be head, head, tail. Take note of this. Head, head, tail. Here will be head, tail, head. Head, tail, head. Here will be head, tail, tail. Head, tail, tail. Then we move on to the second one. Tail, head, head. Tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail. Then we have tail, tail, head. Tail, tail, head. Then we have tail, tail, tail. We have tail, tail, tail. So let's count the total outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when a coin is tossed 3 times or 3 coins are tossed together, we have 8 possible outcomes. When 2 coins are tossed together or a coin is tossed twice, you have 4 outcomes. So the outcomes here are called the sample spaces. And we have answered this question correctly.